disease can be defined as an abnormal condition that impairs the normal functioning of the body. Such an abnormal condition can be caused by various factors like an infectious agent, a genetic defect, a nutritional disorder, or an environmental stress. A disease caused by infectious agents or microbes is known as a communicable disease. It can be transferred from an infected person to a healthy person. It is also known as a contagious disease. Flu, common cold, and chickenpox are examples of communicable diseases. A non-communicable or non-contagious disease is the one which is not caused by any infectious agent. Such a disease cannot spread from one person to another. Can you think of the causes of non-communicable diseases? Metabolic disorders, genetic factors, and nutritional deficiencies can be some of the causes of non-communicable diseases. Let's learn more about these causes. The diseases related to metabolic disorders are known as organic diseases. An organic disease is one which involves or affects the organs of our body. Diabetes is an example of organic disease. Diabetes is a disease in which the body cannot control the amount of sugar or glucose in the blood. In a healthy body, under fasting conditions, the blood sugar level is normally 80 to 120 milligram per 100 ml of blood. Soon after a meal, glucose is extracted from the gastrointestinal tract into the blood. When large quantities of glucose enter the bloodstream, the excess glucose is converted into insoluble glycogen. The glycogen gets stored in liver and muscles. When the body requires energy, this glycogen in liver and muscles is converted back into glucose. These processes are controlled by the hormone called insulin. Insulin is secreted by the beta cells of islets of Langerhans of pancreas. If insulin is not produced in enough quantity, excess glucose cannot be stored as glycogen in liver and muscles. This results in release of excess sugar in the blood and causes diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus can be either insulin-dependent diabetes or type 1 diabetes. In this condition, the body is unable to produce insulin. In non-insulin dependent or type 2 diabetes mellitus, insulin is produced but the body develops resistance towards it. As a result, glucose to glycogen conversion is affected. Hypertension, heart diseases, renal failure, Alzheimer's, stroke, and obesity are other examples of organic diseases. Given here are the symptoms and affected organs of some of the common organic diseases. All structures and functions of our body are determined by our genetic or hereditary material, the DNA. A fragment of DNA is called a gene. Genetic or hereditary disorders are caused by gene mutation, where the composition of a gene is changed, or it can also be due to the change in chromosome numbers. Genetic disorders are passed on from one generation to the next. Thus, these diseases are inheritable. But these diseases are not contagious and are not transmitted through contact or blood transfusions. We know that our body cells have two copies or versions of each gene. One inherited from our father and the other from our mother. Based on the type of gene copies inherited, our traits can be dominant or recessive. Similarly, genetic disorders can also be caused by either dominant or recessive mutant genes. For example, Huntington's disease is due to a dominant mutant gene. In this case, as shown here, the inheritance of a single RNS gene, shown in red, leads to the disease condition. On the other hand, albinism is a recessive gene disorder. An individual will develop the disorder if both the copies of the gene are erroneous or mutated. As you can see here, mutated gene shown in red cause diseases only when present in pairs. Albinism is also known as hypomelanism. It is an inherited disorder of melanin metabolism in which the body cannot make the usual amounts of the pigment melanin. It is characterized by the lack of melanin pigment in the eyes, skin, and hair. Hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, and Down syndrome are a few other genetic disorders. The cause of common genetic disorders is given here. The human diet is divided into 5 nutritional groups: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. The right amount of each nutrient is needed for maintaining a good health, and the lack of which can cause nutritional deficiency diseases. Proteins are necessary for the building and repair of body cells and tissues. Kwashiorkor and marasmus are 2 protein deficiency diseases that affect mainly children. In marasmus, the baby loses a lot of weight and becomes skinny. Also, the child may experience severe diarrhea and anemia. In Kwashiorkor, the child has an enlarged belly along with swelling in hands and feet. Vitamins are essential for healthy growth, development, and metabolism. All vitamins must be taken into the body from food sources except vitamins D and K, which the body can synthesize only under certain conditions. The deficiency of vitamins can cause deficiency diseases in both children and adults. Here is the list of common vitamins, their sources, the associated deficiency diseases, and their symptoms. Minerals are also essential for a healthy body. Minerals are required for proper growth and to maintain a good health. The mineral deficiency depends on the particular mineral that is missing from the diet. Here is the list of common minerals, their sources, the associated deficiency diseases, and their symptoms.